it's got white snow outside. I mean, it's got snow outside, but it's not snowing. It's a clear day. It's not sunny, but it's a clear day. But you can see, I think, hopefully how cloudy it is. So hey everybody, welcome back. Another episode of Pine Ridge Garage. This is Mike, your host. Today we are working on the Ford Super Duty F250. What we've got today is my backup camera has gotten a little cloudy, and which sounds like it's a pretty common problem that Ford's had. I don't know if it's on all vehicles, but on the Super Duty it sounds like they can get cloudy, and it's not a real clear picture when you're in reverse. Got another Ford Fusion, and that thing is crystal clear. So anyways, today we're going to change that. So let me just show you what I mean. Show you what I mean with the cloudiness. See if it shows up. I know it's there's Wolfie. I know it's got white snow outside. I mean, it's got snow outside, but it's not snowing. It's a clear day. It's not sunny, but it's a clear day. But you can see, I think, hopefully how cloudy it is. So we'll get the new one in, and we'll show you the comparison. Ordered it direct from Ford. Not too bad. I'm not sure what it costs. It was under, I don't know, it was like 60 or 70 bucks. I think it was under $75 for this part. Here it is. So here it is. I don't know if you can see it. Ford part number JC3Z19G490-F. And when you look it up, this is the new number for this camera. And so the camera we're talking about is this one right here. I don't know if you can really see. It is got a little cloudiness to it, but anyways, we're gonna get this replaced. Pretty simple. This here is just a light. When you turn your cargo lights on, it gives you a little light back here on the outside for like hooking up your hitch and stuff. So anyways, we're going to change that today. So we'll take this plate off, and this here we open up, and then we got 4 bolts right here that drops this assembly out. down so we can unplug the camera and replace it. I'm going to show you what this camera, the camera looks like. So that's it. Simple little deal. Holds it in. Got one plug. That's what we're going to do today. Okay. Well, there's 2, 4, 6, 8 screws here. Holding this plate on. Probably don't really need to take this out. We'll check it out, make sure inside everything's looking good. No pinched wires. We'll set that out to the side. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, but I just wanted to look in here, I guess. Let's see here. Get this. I can't. Well, I'll pull the truck ahead just a little bit. Okay. Now, let's open this. Like I was saying, there's 4 screws. One in there, 2 here, 1 over here. Let's see. Yeah, you can see it down in there. I guess right in there. So we'll get them out and lower this piece under that the camera's in. Almost got it. These 2 outside ones are the hardest, obviously. Gotta be patient, I guess. Right tool for the right job. The magnet. Okay. These. So this is it right here, like I had said. Alright, so like I said, that just kind of slides out. The nuts are still in there. So then there's, get some light over here. And there's this little keeper. There. A little keeper that holds it in place. So it's a star. I think this one. This one. That one. Little keeper. Put in. Alright, so screw out and make it Hold that wire. Keeper. There. Okay, just slide it back just a little bit. Slide it in. Push this tab and slide out the camera. Slide the new one in. Do the same. Sits in there. And we got this that just slides back over it again. It's got a little keeper in there. Camera goes in. It's got a little catch on it. Get back on this surface here. And then put her back. Line it all up, put the screw back in, crank it too much, but just get her good and tight. Doesn't need it, it's just plastic, remember. We'll put this little wire back in this catch. This kind of guides, like so. And then I've got to find the nut. There it is. Nope, that's not it. There it is. Might have to get a magnet and get it out. Definitely easier with a magnet. Alright, as you guys know. So, there's one. There's two. So, let's slip this back up in here. Lines up. Make sure all the bolts came through the hole. Oh. So you can see the bolts right there. Right there in the place. And the witness marks that get you close back to the original location. Anyways, camera's plugged in. Just feel under here and make sure it's all back in there proper. Yeah. Yeah. Like so. Alright, try that again. Snug this side up. Okay. Okay, let's take a look at it here. Looks like it's all in. All right, so I'll put this back on, and then real quick, and we'll turn the camera on. Oh, the truck. Okay, well, we got cover back on, and everything's in. Let's go look at the camera on the inside now. Okay. Alright, there's the camera now. I don't know if you can really tell. It's definitely much clearer, but if you happen to notice, there's no guidelines here. The center line for the ball is gone. So we'll have to do some research on that. Okay, welcome back. Well, I did some research, and what I've discovered is I'll have to have the camera re-enabled. I won't say re-enabled, but probably reprogrammed a little bit. I do have an appointment to get an update done on the PCM, power control module. There's a recall on that. Ford's going to be doing it, so I'll have them take a look at this at the same time to reset that. Inside the screens here, of course, under settings, I know that you have some comments on this, but what I found is, okay, so here under settings, under vehicle, you got camera settings here. See, I already have all this stuff turned on, and it's all set up. There are no anything where I can see for other other controls situations, but that's okay. Anyways, that's all there is to it. Changing the camera. It's a pretty easy task. I would think anybody can do it. So anyways, this is Mike here at Pine Ridge Garage. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like button. Subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. And leave me some comments down if you've tried to replace your camera, and if you found the same thing regarding getting the guidelines all reprogrammed, or the replacement camera. I did take and put the old original camera back in. That one of course was cloudy, but that showed up the guidelines in the backup line. The other thing that doesn't work is the zoom on this one, but I think all I gotta do is just get it reset from the Ford dealer. It should be good. I'll let you know on that later, but that's the plan there, to get that taken care of. But anyways, this has been Mike at Pine Ridge Garage. Thanks for watching again, and hey, remember, have fun while you're getting it done. See ya.